Welcome back to Antonine International School El Daquana. This video tutorial helps the teacher to make and organize a class team. Launch Microsoft Teams. Two class teams have been created and scheduled on the Teams page as demonstrated in the previous video tutorial. To join a class, navigate to the calendar bar and select the scheduled class you want to join. To view the list of participants, click on the People icon. Students will join the class individually. If a participant isn't responding, you can invite them to join. To prevent student disruptions, consider setting their roles as attendees rather than presenters. To do this, right-click on the student's name and select Make an Attendee. Attendees can still raise their hands, react, and mute or unmute their microphones. The View tab lets you switch between different view modes, such as Gallery View, Speaker View, and Together mode. In the last mode, you can select a scene and assign students to sit in different places at condition to turn the video on. Use the chat bar to engage in group conversations and share or receive files and folders. A project has been uploaded by a student. You can use the Share button to display a single window or application. You can also use the whiteboard for more interaction. The Microsoft Whiteboard will appear. For collaborative work with students, select a new whiteboard and then select the second sharing option where everyone can edit. Use the necessary tools to assign the tasks. One of the students can collaborate to provide the right answer. As you see, other students are reacting by applauding or hitting the thumb up button. When a student has entered a wrong answer, you can choose another ink color and correct it. To exit the whiteboard, click on Stop Sharing. You can also share videos, ensuring that you include computer sound so that students can hear the audio. If a student needs to share their screen, you may need to change their role to presenter. Then he will be able to share his folders. You can create breakout rooms for group activities to divide the class into smaller groups. To do this, click Rooms and you can assign participants automatically or manually. To manually assign students to rooms, click Assign Participants. Choose the students from the list and assign them to specific rooms. Once all rooms are open, participants will receive an automatic prompt to join their assigned rooms. You can join each room separately. Or you can make an announcement. The announcement will appear in each room and students can reply to the information on a separate chat page. Go back to the team call and resume. When the time is over, close the breakout rooms and the participants will automatically rejoin the initial class team. Students will exit the class upon completion, and you are free to leave as well. Once the session concludes, an attendance report will be automatically generated and made available for download on the Posts page. If the report isn't automatically generated, you can return to the scheduled meeting, select the attendance option, and then proceed to download the attendance sheet. Thank you for watching. Check the playlist for more tutorials. For further assistance or information, please contact the IT department on it@ais-d.edu.lb.